My 14-year-old son possesses unusual bragging rights. He's the only kid among his fellow students with a grandfather who was a World War II veteran. Dad, gone 15 years now, served in Patton's army as a 50 cal gunner on a half-track. He fought in the Battle of the Bulge and a few other events on the way into Germany. I inherited my respect for the military as well as a love for poetry from Dad, who adopted me, and I inherited a love of music from my birth father, a man I never met. He was a jazz musician. Those interests come together beautifully in a song you've likely never heard of. It's called Piper to the End by Mark Knopfler. He wrote it to honor his uncle, a man he had never met, World War II veteran Freddie Laidler. Freddie, a piper in Scotland's famous Black Watch, was killed at Dunkirk. Bagpipers do go into battle. The song is elegant, achingly poignant. Amid the cruel irony of war, a gorgeous day to die for becomes a day to die on. At the conclusion of that beautiful, deadly day, the bagpipes and drums lie quiet along with the slain. Yet Knopfler anticipates a day of reunion in which the departed will come back to be with us always. He concludes by encouraging us to complete our mission in life right to the very end. In this way, we honor the dead. There is, however, only one who can actually return and never leave us. In Luke 22:19, we read how Jesus, on the night before he was crucified, took a loaf of bread and he broke it. He told his disciples, "This is my body, given for you." Jesus was creating a vivid memorial for his followers to use. In a sense, every time we celebrate the Lord's Supper, communion, we are observing Memorial Day. And while in that hushed moment we're recalling Jesus' death, ultimately, we're celebrating his life. He promises to return for us. Many of our soldiers made the ultimate sacrifice for their country, but Jesus gave his body on the cross as the once-for-all sacrifice for us all. He did this so you and I can be together with him forever. This sacred truth infuses our Memorial Day observations with genuine hope. Someday, we who know Jesus will meet again.